Hey, mobile gamers! Welcome back! And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you're always in the loop with the latest mobile game tips, tricks, and hack methods. In this video, I'm showing you a super easy way to get unlimited diamonds in Chamet right from your phone. No computer, sketchy installs, or rooting or jailbreaking needed. I tested it out myself, and the resources showed up in my account in no time. It's simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. All right, first thing you'll need is your user ID from Chamet. Just open the game, head to your profile settings, and there it is, your unique user ID, usually made up of numbers. Take a screenshot or jot it down so you've got it handy for later. Once you've got that, let's move on to the next step. Now pull up your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, whichever you like, and go to the website I'm using today. It's packed with hack tools for a bunch of popular mobile apps and games, including Chamet. Just search for Chamet Unlimited Diamonds Hack and tap on the generator that pops up. Super straightforward. When the generator page loads, you'll see a short form. Pick your platform, Android or iOS, and enter that player ID you saved earlier. Double-check your info, then hit the Connect button to link everything up. The connection process only takes a few seconds and is encrypted for safety. Once connected, it's time to choose how much resources you want. Select the amount that works for you and tap Generate. The tool handles everything from here, syncing, verifying, all the back-end stuff, while you relax for a moment. Before the resources can be delivered, there's a quick verification step to prove you're not a bot. Usually, it'll ask you to install a free app and interact with it briefly, nothing complicated. If you're not sure what to do, the page often has a video guide that walks you through the process. Once that's complete, you're good to go. Now reopen Chamet and take a look at your diamonds should be waiting for you. I followed the same steps earlier and had no issues at all. It does work. No grinding, no spending, just more time enjoying the game. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to get unlimited diamonds in Chamet using the latest hack method. If this helped you out, go ahead and drop a like and share it with your fellow gamers. Hit the comments if you run into any issues. I keep an eye on them, and I'm happy to help you out. And of course, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next game hack or tutorial. Thanks for watching, enjoy your resources, and I'll see you in the next video.